my name is Clau. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through the process of painting a fashion sketch. As you may know, I study fashion. Now I'm in the 3rd year of university and next year will be my last one.
2, 3.
Today, this is what we are working with. I scanned and I opened it on Photoshop. These are my tools for fashion illustration. I have this kind of thing that I use like as a pad to draw with. It comes with a pen. It helps you like to be more precise. I'm going to record the screen so you can see what I do. So let's start. This is the sketch on the computer. I draw a girl with an Ariana Grande inspired hair. I used some fluffy details all over her scrunchie, her top, her skirt. It also has some fluffy balls here, and then her ring, her socks over the knee, and her flip-flops. And if you want me to draw any inspired drawings, just leave a comment down below. I'm going to start. So I normally start with the eraser. I have to clean the drawing because it's a scan drawing. I will first give it a first color of everything and then we'll be working over that. So what I do is just select the area where I want to paint and then paint all over it. We have the selected area, we're going to paint all over it. And don't worry if there are white spots because it's not a perfect scan, I made it with my phone. Like we have this purple hair, we're going to give her a darker skin tone because I think it can actually work with that. And I don't see normally a lot of dark skin fashion drawings. I don't know why, because I think dark skin is beautiful as well. Maybe like that. I think I'm going to explain you what I did today. I think today was a really productive day and yesterday as well. I'm going to start by yesterday. I'm going to London so soon. You may have already watched the video where I talk about it. So I'm spending time with my boyfriend and I'm also pre-recording a lot of videos before I go because I will be so busy the last days I'm here and I want to be more with the people that I love here. So yesterday I recorded 2 videos that you're going to see before this one, I think. And then today I woke up and I wanted to do a little workout because I'm starting to do some more exercise. I need to exercise a little bit more because I'm so weak and I don't feel okay with my body, so I'm going to do that. I'm thinking of recording the process and of doing like a video of my 4-month summary doing exercise alone in London, and I think that video can be so interesting as well for you guys that if you're starting to exercise on yourself on your own, and I think you can see some progress as well. That could inspire someone to think that if they want to change something, they will change it because it's your body and it's you who decide. Well, so here's what it's looking like. I painted her top, her scrunchie, and her socks, and her little bow that has on the leg. And I think it's looking good, but I don't know if I really like that color. Maybe I will change it later, but I don't know. But now I'm going to paint the skirt, and for this I'm going to show you a trick that I use sometimes. So we're going to go to the internet and we're going to look for an image that has some texture, and I'm going to use that as a pattern to put all over the skirt. Okay, so I've already found the square texture fabric and here's the picture. I'm going to open it in a new Photoshop page and I'm going to select it like this and I'm going to make a new pattern. And so I'm going to go to drawing. I'm going to select with this tool the parts of the skirt that I want to paint, and then I'm going to go to painting bucket and I'm going to go here. I'm going to select the print I want to and I'm going to put it all over it. I think it looks beautiful. And now I'm going to paint all the little details and the flip-flop, her ring, her eyes and her face, and then we're going to go for a little more detailing and improve it. Shadows and lighting and all of that. I'm also thinking of doing a series about this, like drawing different things, drawing you guys, my subscribers. I think it might be fun. I don't know how I'm going to call this drawing, so if you have any ideas, just comment them down below. I will probably post this on my Instagram, so if you like it, go give it a like. If you don't follow me on my social media, I'm going to put it on the screen right now. Also, I'm so happy because I just reached like 145 subscribers, and I'm so happy because I never thought that would happen. And now I think I'm going to go a little bit in the detailing. I don't know if I should paint this line green, pastel green, or baby green. Like this. And also today has been even all day raining. I woke up to the rain, and I think that's so cute because I really like rain, and my boyfriend does too, so we enjoy it a lot. And it barely rains here in Barcelona, sadly, because I think it should rain more, so we did enjoy it a lot. And now it has stopped raining, but it's not bright outside. It's like a rainy, cloudy sky. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to just play a little bit with shadows and other colors, so just to make it pop a little bit. So hi back guys, I'm doing the face, and I think it's my favorite part to do because it's where the more details the better, and I'm really liking it. It's going to turn out so cute. I'm doing shadows and lights, and now I'm going to touch a little bit her forehead and her lips and her nose as well, but I think it's looking pretty good. And I also going to do the detailing on her earring. I really like to do big eyes on these kind of sketches. If you want to do that fluffy texture, you can do like little doodles inside of the clothing. So I'm doing texture, like little hairs and some longer hairs. So now we are doing the shadows of the bottom part, and we're almost done with them. I really think it's turning out so good. I'm going to give some texture to the little pom-poms. This is the final result. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and go check my Instagram and social media because you'll find it there as well. And let me know if you want me to do more of these kind of videos and what do you want me to draw next. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye!